Hi everyone, welcome back to the mini-series of the Wormery. It is now 2 weeks since I started it off and put worms in it, and it's been it's been going for 2 weeks now. First week there was quite a few problems with it. When I did the husk, I thought it was alright. It wasn't. It was very, very wet, so I checked on it for a few times that night. And then I come out at 3 in the morning to let my puppy out, and the worms are everywhere. They was all on the fence, they was all on the floor, they were everywhere. It was just too wet, so I've had to put compost in here, some potting dirt, or no, not potting dirt, sorry, it was composting dirt, and I've even put some cardboard. They tend to like it. As you can see, look, they're all they've been all over it. So yeah, that's over. So I put the cardboard to help soak up some of the water from it all, and you can see they're in and out. They're living in all these little holes, so they're in and out of it. They do tend to like it. I haven't seen them try to escape since, so they're definitely enjoying the cardboard. And every so often I'm just putting air. There you go. He's living inside it. I think it was 3 days after maybe, I was having trouble with them, but they kept trying to get out, and it was down to food. I think the food wasn't very, there wasn't much food in there, little eggs of some sort, don't know what they are. Yeah, they went through that food really, really quickly, so I've had to put more food in. I've used that little bag I've got within a week. And let's see, look, they seem to love the corrugated. There is these little little eggs. I haven't seen these before, so I'm not too sure what they are. I'll have to have a look. Tiny little eggs. I don't know what that little one is there. I should look up online. So I last lifted this up 3-4 days ago. Some of the worms have got quite big. I definitely like the layers of cardboard, so that's definitely a winner. You can see they're in every single layer. There we go, getting down. So last time in the week I did do some recordings, but it didn't really come out too well, so I put a whole load of food on this side, and from what I can see, that has all gone completely. So there's the husk down there, and from what I would say is that it's still really wet, but they seem to be liking it more. Definitely getting bigger, so I ain't going to disturb them too much. So what we have, we've got some old lettuce. Let me just drop in there. A lot of this was frozen, and I defrosted it. Got some egg, some potato peelings, some tea bags. I'll rip, put them in that. So yeah, so I'm just putting them on one side, so if they don't like it or don't like anything, they can go to the other side. I'm definitely eating quite quick. Got some coffee grounds, bits of kiwi, some crushed up eggshell, don't know, tiny bags. These are compostable bags as well, so you can put all that in. Yeah, so yeah, there you go. And then I've got some cutlery grains from the machine. Put all that in. Paper and all biodegradable and wettable. When I did come out here the first time, it was a nightmare. I come out, I look in, I thought, oh, it looks alright, looks alright. Then when I come out that early hours of the morning, and it was everywhere. It was oh my god, running around with a torch at 3 in the morning, trying to pick up loads and loads of worms was quite funny, I would assume, for the neighbours. All for the love of worms. Right. I'm going to put this back over the top. Someone asked on the Fishing's Great Escape UK on the Facebook page, am I going to be putting dog poo in here? We have the puppy, and obviously a good steady supply of dog poo. Was I going to be putting any in here? I don't particularly want to. I know you can, but for me, I'm going to be putting my hands in here on a regular basis, digging around for worms. I definitely do not want to be putting my hands in dog poo. So the answer to that, no, I won't be. Apparently it is good fertiliser, but I think I'll leave that one out. I'll put the lid on now. So what I'm going to show you is the sump tank underneath. So, because what I did notice, they were coming back and forth. It's heavy. Yeah. There you go. So look, I'll put that on there. So that's squashing it. So you can see it's quite wet, and they spend a lot of time down here. Hence why I put that. So they'll be eating that cardboard. But then sometimes I'll lift this up and check, and they're not here. So they're definitely up and down in it. I'll clear all this up. The worms are definitely grown in size. What I probably will do is make a cover from this. Where it is in the dryer. It's under a ledge, and the water don't really catch it, but I think there is a little bit of rainwater occasionally, like catching it on the wind. So I'll make a little cover for that in a week, and you'll see that in the next one. I am going to go fishing in a week, so I'm going to take some of these, because some of these are a nice size already. They'll be my first lot. That's definitely got quite a bit of water in there, because that weighs a lot. Oh yeah. So he's already climbed. He's already going straight for it, look. So these worms are tiger worms. Oh, there's another one in there hiding. Yeah, they seem to like it. So far, after the first week of craziness, it's definitely got better, and everything seems to be working out now. So every 3 days I'm just lifting up the cardboard, putting some food down, and then just repeating, and at the moment it seems alright. I think I might definitely have to dry this out a little bit, or take some out, put a load of dry in, or just put a load more cardboard or some paper or something. I'll have a look. But yeah, I'll keep this one sweet and small, and I'll see you on the next one. Any questions, feel free to ask. or any advice, definitely more than welcome. Yeah, please leave a like and a thumbs up, and if you want to share. Thank you very much.